Today, as I said, I will be showing you how I achieve those nice beachy curls that you often see all over my Instagram. It's my go-to look. It's my signature Daniela Rose look. We'll refer to it as that. But let's get started. I'll show you the process. When styling my hair, I like to ensure that my hair is washed the night before, because I find if it has a bit of grit, it holds a bit better. But given I've been so busy this week, I have kind of fallen out of routine, etc., and I haven't washed my hair the night before, a bit of a hack is to use a dry shampoo. In this case, I'm using the Batiste Dry Shampoo in Rose Gold. It has a really pretty scent. So mask any bad hair odor if you've let it get that far, guys, but a really good hack. So I'll just be putting that through the roots initially and just a little bit through the ends, just to give my hair some grit so that the curls hold a bit better. Alright, I've got the dry shampoo through the hair. I'll just give it a brush. That's the starting point, so dry shampoo through the hair. And now, I've had these babies over the side here warming up for a while. It's the Babybliss Pro Stylist tools. I'll show you on camera there. So yes, I use hot rollers to curl my hair. I find it's the only thing that really makes my curls stay put. I'm able to kind of have full control over the type of curl I want as well, and where my part is, etc. So I use the Babybliss Pro there, and it comes with 3 different sizes. So the green one, the purple one, that's hot, which they're meant to be, and the blue one there. I generally start with the smallest rollers up top, the medium rollers kind of through the middle here, and the largest down bottom. There are 20 rollers in this set. It just covers all the hair that I have. So if you do have a bit thicker hair, they do have a bigger set which has more rollers in it. So probably check out that one. It will take you probably a couple of times to get used to how much hair you should be putting into each roller, to ensure it's distributed evenly, to ensure you have enough rollers, which happened to me the first time. So I've just sectioned off a piece of hair like that. I place the roller just down the bottom there, twirl the hair around that like that, and then curl it up away from the face like that, and then I secure with a pin. Perfect, like that. So making my way around the outside. As I said, I put the smaller ones up top. Okie dokie, so they're currently all in my hair. This is what it looks like from the back. Should be on the other side. So they're pretty sturdy. At this point, I generally go do some housework, some cleaning. One major rule is you need to ensure they cool down. If they don't cool down enough, the curl won't stay as long. I generally allow 20 to 30 minutes. And as I said, they're pretty sturdy, so you can move about, do your own thing, clean the house, go sit by the pool, I don't know, do whatever you want, but they do stay put. So just make sure that they cool down enough to ensure that the curl stays put. So I'm back. As you can see, they're pretty darn sturdy. So I just normally start from the top and work my way down. As simple as taking the pin out, not pulling, just letting it drop out into your hand like that. See that the curl is quite nice. Don't tug on that, just leave them as they are. Just make your way through, taking each curl out one by one. So that is what they came out looking like. I don't fiddle around with it too much. My hair drops pretty quickly, but as I said, hot rollers are the only thing that seem to hold for the longest period of time. Ensuring that I've washed my hair the night before is another factor, or using dry shampoo to give it that little bit of grit. Finish is just as important as the start. So at the start I was using the dry shampoo to give my hair a bit of grit because I didn't wash it the night before. So now I'm using the Batiste Hold Me hairspray, which is 24-hour invisible hold. I find this one holds everything in place without that heaviness. So just giving it a spray. Yeah, this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my videos. So part 1, as I said, was the makeup tutorial. Part 2 was the hair tutorial. I'll show you the back of it. That's what it looks like.